Let's make a sweet little Valentine's riser. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this at Dollar Tree. There are all these, it's like a banner almost. And I just take them all apart. And then I had this little ring from Dollar Tree with all of these wood beads. And I straightened it, like I took it apart. And I'm taking all the beads off it. The beads are about, I don't know, like a half an inch or so. And what we're going to do is take the heart and I'm going to glue the bead all on the inside on the shiny part because we're not going to do any more work than we have to. I glued all the beads and I'm just using hot glue. And then, okay, so I thought I was being slick and I'm going to put glue all on the top and I'm going to go really, really fast and try to glue the other part on. Try to slide it. It didn't work and it was kind of off and I'm a little upset about it. So here's a different way to do it. I did the same thing on a different one with the beads, and then on the second piece I put the glue on the actual heart instead of on the beads. Night and day. Works so much better. Just a word to the wise. All right. Then I added some more beads on the bottom, and these ones are a little bit bigger than 1/2 inch. And there it is. Like right there, you could have just stopped right there. But you know I won't. So I painted this with sheepskin as the color. It's chalk paint. And I let it dry. And then I go over it with some wax. Now, you don't have to do this part if you don't like the primitive vibe. But I love it. It's for my house. It's for my decor. And I am jazzed about it. So I just took a sponge and went over all of the beads on the side. And then I'm actually going to do the top as well. I did not paint the bottom. Nope. Didn't, because you know what? Ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody's looking at the bottom. And if they are, well, they're way too much time on their hands. All right. So again, I just did the top and then I went and sanded it just so that it lightened it up a little bit. And look at how cute. Like, stop, right? I did the same thing in pink. And look at, I did the waxing and I did do some sanding. I did a little bit more heavy sanding just because I felt like I went a little too heavy-handed on the wax with this. So word to the wise, maybe don't go as heavy-handed as I did, but I still love it. I still think it looks cute, but I love the edges on the wood beads when I went and sanded them. Look at how cool they look. They look so pretty. Again, this is pink chalk paint, and it was a darker pink that I muted with some white chalk paint. Easy peasy though. But look at how much fun. And yeah, I didn't go crazy painting perfectly because I knew I was going to junk it up. But if that's not your vibe, then you are going to be a little bit more careful with how you're painting it and being a little bit more precise. That's why I love the primitive vibe, because we can be messy. But look how pretty they are. Look at how cute. I love them so much. It's so cute. And here's it. And here they are, you know, all together. Oh, but what are we going to do with them? I don't know. Put a mug on it. That's kind of cute. You could put, I don't know, a luminary like it did in the back. You could put, I don't know, a candle. I don't know. But they're adorable. And we could use them for a lot of great things for Valentine's Day and beyond, I would say. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspired you.